I wanted to convert these fake drawer fronts under my Ceran cooktop into a fully functional drawer. And this video will show you how to do it. Stay tuned. Start with removing the fake fronts. In my case, it is held by 4 screws. Then you need to build a base for the drawer slides. In my case, I put 2 3/4 inch pieces of wood together and then screw them into the front of the cabinet. Don't worry about the looks. Once the drawer is in, you won't see any holes. For the back end of the slide, I built a small bracket and bolted it to the slide. Make sure it is level and fasten it to the back wall of your cabinet. To ensure it is square, I'm using a simple jig. Then mark where the screw needs to go and screw it into the base we built earlier. The second slide is going to be installed in the same way. Also here, I'm using a jig to make sure it is square. In the meantime, I built a drawer box which fits exactly how I need it. Place it even to the front cabinet wall. Use a level or straight edge to make it flush. From underneath, square up the drawer box onto the slides and pre-drill 2 holes. Then pull out the drawer, locate the 2 holes and screw the slides into place. Test that the drawer is moving freely, then add 2 more screws. Now comes the tricky part. Line up the decorative drawer front with the drawer box. To do that, drive 1 screw through the front of the box so that it sticks out. Place the front where it shall go and hold it in place. Then slam the drawer box into the front so that it will leave a mark from the screw. Use that mark as a guide to place 2 more screws. And there you have it, your own secret drawer. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.